number, the person will be addressing, anaweza ita chini.
Sasa ukuje usimame hapa katikati.
Yes. Next time unaona tuongeza kasiro.
The winner of the under 20 Bates Trophy goes on to the World Under 20 Trophy. So it is quite a big event. There's only one qualifier from Africa because the event this year, the Under 20 Trophy this year is being held in Spain. So yeah, it is up to us to put our best foot forward and see if we can get there. This squad that we has been selected today. It's a squad that has actually touched all parts of this country and all levels of 15s rugby. So we have players who have been playing Kenya Cup, we have players who have been playing championship, and also a few of them have come from nationwide.